Hey guys, it's Sonia with Junk Monkey Paint Company and welcome back to my daily vlog. Well, I didn't sleep a whole lot last night. If you saw my Facebook page, I just got the desire, I got the idea, I just wanted to paint my bathroom last night. And so I thought on today's vlog, I'll share with you the transformation. So it's been less than 24 hours and I kind of started painting my bathroom last night at about 10:30 p.m. If you saw on my Facebook page, I posted last night, normal people, it's 10 o'clock. I should be going to bed. It's time to go to bed, right? Time to shut her down and get in bed and just kind of like wind out your day. Or maybe you're already in bed by now. But me, yeah, I ain't normal. So 10:30 at night, I just get this wind of, let's start a project. Let's paint the bathroom black. So in the vlog today, I'm gonna show you what it looked like before. And the progress, the transformation. And the cat, kitty, kitty. Do you like it? Are you gonna like it? I am covering a very light color, so I know that I'm going to need at least 2 coats. It's always best when you're painting to do light coats and build up your color, right? Versus putting a lot of paint on at one time. So, patience is a virtue. Loving how it's looking though. It's fun coming in here, seeing it in the day as it dries down. So, what I'm gonna do now is get ready to do one more coat. I really like it. I'm liking what I'm seeing. I could totally picture a crystal chandelier in here when it's all decorated. Don't tell Matt. But yeah, love, love, love what I'm seeing so far. So let me go ahead and we will do our next coat. And then, yeah, we'll get to decorate today and put everything back in, new shower curtain, all that jazz. And by the way, somebody out there is going, you painted it black? Yes, I did. And oh my gosh, you got to see what it looks like now. I love it. Matt loves it. And here's the thing. You can paint any room in your house, the place where you live, any color that you want to paint it. Paint it purple. Do a glitter bathroom. Doesn't really matter because at the end of the day, you pay your own bills, you live there, and you got to do what makes you happy, right? And plus, number 2, I'm just going to tell you that I think sometimes we spend too much time trying to pick the perfect color, like we overthink it to the point where we get paralyzed and we just like, okay, I can't even figure it out, so we put stuff off, right? Just pick a color and go with it because paint, it's not permanent, right? You can paint your walls again. You can live with something for a short period of time. You know how we do our hair sometimes different ways? And you know, painting a bathroom, you can do it again in 24 hours. You don't even have to wait for it to grow out again, right? It can be one color one day, one color the next day. So quite literally, the bathroom was that color, that neutrally beige, creamy kind of color, which was the color it was when we moved into the house. And today, well, it don't look like that anymore. All right, so we have got a second coat of paint on and we're gonna let that dry. I'm gonna run now while this is drying, the window's open. I'm gonna put a fan in here and I am going to run out and see if I can get maybe a nice crisp white, just a classic clean shower curtain. So let's take a drive. we are back home and I decided to go with something completely different than what I had in mind when I went in there. And I saw this, I really like the design that was on it, and I think it's called embroidered medallion set. It actually came with the hooks, and I got a rug with it, and I got the shower curtain, so I thought it was really good value for basically $20. By the way, you might hear Oreo in the background. It's Tiki's turn right now for a walk. Matt's taking them out for a walk tonight, so they each gotta wait their turn. So Oreo is super excited. So I'm excited to get this up. I'm gonna run upstairs now and hang it, do a little cleaning, and yeah, just clean the bathroom at this point, hang everything fresh, and I'm excited because you guys are gonna see the big reveal. Yeah, it is the bathroom that adjoins this bedroom right here, and this is the headboard. So I thought the shower curtain would match really nice with it. Oh yeah, it has dried nicely. These are 3 mirrors that I got in a set at Walmart. They're plastic, but they're still gorgeous. They're done distressed style. And yeah, I'm thinking that they would match the shower curtain quite nicely with the design that's in it with the medallion. So I'm gonna put these up on the wall. And I think also, just given they're that light creamy kind of color, I think it'll look really good with like on top of the black paint. So let's see how that looks. I think the shower curtain looks amazing, and now I'm gonna go in and put in a few more details. I've got a shelf that I bought it in red. I think it's gonna look good with the navy, with the red, and then I have this rug that I purchased at home, and I really, really like it, and it has this color, like the red into it, and it has the blue into it. I think it will match really nice with the shower curtain. What do you guys think? So I'm gonna go ahead and drop a few final touches in there, but I'm excited to put this down and see what it looks like in there. I think it's gonna be good. Another project done, another one tick off the list. Well, actually, I haven't been entirely truthful because I also, remember I told you I was up till 3:30 last night? Well, it wasn't putting that just entire black coat of first coat of paint on the bathroom. I decided I wanted to change out the color on my kitchen cabinets. So I just kept listening to the music, and yeah, I played some great music last night while I was painting, listened to some podcasts, and I completely finished my kitchen today in a different color. So if you remember, in the spring I painted it with Ducky, with that beautiful, beautiful, just blue-green color. Loved it, springtime, and I decided to change it out to be a little cozy for fall. Cozy like Mr. Squirrel over here. So here is a sneak peek, and then maybe on my next vlog, I'll show you and talk about the kitchen, but you can see the color that my kitchen now is in as of today, and I'm putting things back into place tonight and just doing a little decorating around the kitchen tonight. But the color I decided to do it in was our color of Grey's Anatomy. So I went from Ducky to Grey's Anatomy, and at the time that I put Ducky on it, I was this close to doing Grey's at that time, but I thought, you know what? I love Ducky. Let's just go with it, right? I think it looks awesome, and so stay tuned if you're excited to see that reveal as well. So hopefully you're inspired to tackle, I don't know, a room, a space, paint a wall, paint a piece of furniture. Bit by bit, it just all comes together to make your home a cozy spot. All right, I'm heading to the kitchen. I will see you guys again tomorrow. Thanks for watching, and don't be scared to play with some color, any color. See you tomorrow. Bye.